It's hard to get these managers to really work hard and care about it when they're only getting $100 a month. But if I'm paying you $1,500 a month, they're looking out for it.
It used to be my uncle's law firm and mansion. He sold it 2 years ago. It's right now on the market for 10 mil. Paid off. They didn't take care of it.
Bad area, bad property, bad tenant, bad property manager. You can just assume that your financials are also going to be bad. I'd rather give you $100 to not deal with a headache than to get $100 and have a huge fucking headache.
Let's say one of your investors are unhappy with the money they put in, like they just want to pull it out. Can they at any time?
No. We'll listen to them and we may buy them out at some sort of negotiated rate, but we're not required to.
What's the biggest headache with these? Like what's
probably the investors.
To the investors?
Probably.
Do you have to constantly keep them updated every month, every week?
Not every month. I want them to be happy. Like, here's the thing, like when you got them invested in bad deals, it's I'm sure it's a headache. When you got them invested in good deals, it's easy. Everybody is happy. You're going to experience difficult people always, but we can buy them out, just tell them, sorry, you're stuck till we execute. You know, they signed docs, 124-page document that states what they can and can't do and removes all of our liability, all this stuff. That provides us that protection and them that protection too. I want them to be happy. I want to host monthly webinars where we're giving updates on our properties. We're giving updates on the market or the deals we're looking at. I want inside their portal, like this portal right here is their investing portal. So they can always log in here, see their distributions, see their investments.
No way.
We can send out updates and reports from here. But I want them to be engaged. I want them to be happy. I want to update them because I want them to give me another $2 million for the next deal, you know? And
even if you sell it and get the exit, like you can probably use a lot of that same money and just recycle it.
Yeah. Who wants to get into the $20 million, $100 million apartment complex we're buying?
What's the goal with this then? Just have a team that can really do this for you?
Yeah, Tier 3 Capital. The goal is to eventually buy Platform. What is it called?
Yeah, Platform.
How many units is it?
Hundreds and hundreds. I don't know, 200 something maybe.
Yeah, it's got to be like $100 million apartment complex, maybe more, maybe a little less, I don't know. But the goal is to do those deals with 20,000 investors who are invested with us. The goal is to get $10 million worth of distribution checks to me personally every month, and to Matt, to Robert, to you, to our investors. I want to send out millions of dollars to everybody every single month. I want to own the best assets in the world.
Can you analyze deals in Houston?
Yeah.
I got one. It used to be my uncle's law firm and mansion. He sold it 2 years ago before he died for $12 million. He bought it for like $700K back in the day. It's right now on the market for 10 mil. Paid off. It's super distressed inside. They didn't take care of it. It's like an acre right in downtown Houston. They don't want it torn down. There's been like protests on the street, like, don't tear this down. This is the oldest building in Houston, stuff like this. And I'm thinking, man, like if I had the money.
What's the address?
It's, let me look. I grew up in that fucking place, man. 2006 Smith Street, Houston.
It's commercial?
Yes.
I just don't know why you would want to buy that type of one.
Because it's such low entry, bro.
So what is that?
Yeah, I mean, but that's like a unicorn, Alex.
It's only because you're not looking for them. It's not a unicorn for you if you to put effort into it. It's a unicorn because you don't ever look at them, right?
That's true. That's very true.
Like if you talk to 100 of those people, I guarantee you'd negotiate another deal like that. This one?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. That's cool.
Yeah.
See the difference? Like, damn, that's a nice property.
Yeah, like makes you feel good.
Instantly. Like that's what you wanna feel.
Yeah. And that's the thing about commercial too. It's like, damn, that's badass. Like you now own a fucking You got Chick-fil-A as your tenants, bro. You know what I'm saying? How does that feel?
It feels great.
And you can probably sleep at night
Oh, sleep great.
very nicely.
And I've got a badass management team overseeing it.
Who's doing that?
We pay. It's just a local company. We pay them $1,500 a month.
No way.
Which is a good amount of money, right? It's hard.
Oh, a month, not a year.
A month. Yeah. Whatever.
That's a lot.
Not really. But I mean, for $1,500 a month, they're gonna work and they're gonna get stuff done. It's hard to get somebody to work on your shitty property in Temple for $100 a month. Who gives a shit? I don't care about $100. Do you?
No, they don't.
Like, I'd rather give you $100 to not deal with a headache than to get $100 and have a huge fucking headache. So like, it's hard to get these managers to really work hard and care about it when they're only getting $100 a month. But if I'm paying you $1,500 a month and you're dealing with tenants where there's not many issues, not a whole lot's required from you necessarily. You're just collecting rents, doing my books, my accounting, making sure shit's good. Like, they're protected. Like, hey, insurance is coming out for an inspection. We're going to come and get all this taken care of so you don't, like, they're looking out for us.
You do your books too?
Yeah, they're going to do the, just like your property manager does on residential, but, you know, we can custom tailor it a little bit more.
And they're dealing with better
These
people.
residential property managers, they're always so stressed.
They are.
Constantly. They never have enough staff. They're always so stressed that they you know, they're all human, but like, even when we had ours, like, they're always stressed. They always miss things. They never have enough people. It's constant chaos. Always. Even the ones that have big teams, it's just a little bit more organized. Constant chaos.
And the customer service is always shit because they're all probably dealing with fucking crazy people all day.
Crazy tenants. They're you know, like, that should tell you something about the
But that's the business they're in.
and then but also then go look at the management companies at 100-unit apartment complexes, like your apartment complex that you live at, right? Y'all have on-site management.
Yeah, in Greystar.
Y'all have a gym. Y'all have community area. Do you have a pool?
Yeah.
You got a pool. You know, maybe there's bad people, but typically when you walk into those front area, typically feels good at a good place. The people are typically respectful and nice. It always smells good. It doesn't seem like there's chaos happening all the time.
There's coffee.
There's coffee. They have on-site maintenance that's run 2, 3, 4 guys who are always running around taking care of things constantly. They're driving their golf carts. They're not running to Home Depot to pick up some fucking, you know, O-ring because you know what I mean? Like, they got all the shit there. It's all scaled. It's all organized. It's all in control. If it's a good management company. And like, that should tell you something, is like the financials that you receive as an investor are going to match all those things. If you're getting bad feelings all the way in every single area of it, like bad area, bad property, bad tenant, bad property manager, you can just assume that your financials are also going to be bad.